the plural. We have masculine, singular. This is a noun without just a consonant. So if you see any noun with a consonant, usually copac, tree. So we have copac, singular. We add I at plural. Copac, copaci. Tree and trees. English. If the noun ends in I, unchi, we form the same. We add I, unchi. Uncle, uncles. If we have a masculine form with a, which is not very regular, usually masculine forms ends in consonant. But we have, for example, this tată, the plural ends in I. Un tată, doi tați. We will talk about this also. Just pay attention to add I at the plural. Tată is father. Okay. Masculine, substantiv masculin, ending in e. Frate. Again, we add I at the plural. Frate, plural, frați. I. Brother. Brothers. If we have u, noun ending in u, we add at the plural I. Fiu, fi, doi I. Fiu means son.